Boy, oh boy. All right. Okay, so we gotta add another row, which will be the yeah, we'll have an F tier, and then we'll have another row, and that's our DMC2 tier. All right. So baseline, we'll start with Kingdom Hearts 1. We'll put it in C tier. And that's gonna be our baseline. All right. And then we'll go from there. So let's see. Kingdom Hearts 3 is F tier. Kingdom Hearts 2 A tier. Kingdom Hearts 2 Final Mix is Kingdom Hearts 2. Kingdom Hearts Union Cross is F tier. Kingdom Hearts Nintendo DS is dog shit. That one goes there. Chain of Memories is a really fun game on the Nintendo Game Boy Advanced. However, why did they re-release it 700 times? Also, why are the Final Mix versions of these games on here? That seems fucking ridiculous, but whatever. Birth by Sleep is S tier. It's the best game in the series. Coded, we don't talk about it. Birth by Sleep, the fucking fragmentary passage, Aqua story, epilogue bullshit. Aqua makes me really sad, and whenever I think about what they did to her, I get really upset, and it makes me want to cry. Chain of Memories, I don't know what this is. I'm just gonna put it down here. Melody of Memory, you go fuck yourself. Recoded, this is a movie. Oh right, Chain of Memories is a movie. It's not even a fucking game. That's right. That's right. Yeah, we don't talk about that. Are these the mobile games that never came out in the US? Is that what these are? I'm just gonna put them down here. All right. You know what? We can probably get rid of some of these tiers while we're at it, right? So let's see here. Oh yeah, 100%. Like Devil May Cry 2 is a game so bad that we don't talk about it. So this is so like how do we label these, right? So this is shut the fuck up tier, right? If anybody says that they enjoy these, they're a fucking joker. Complete garbage, right? No, you know what? Not even complete garbage. They're fucking unplayable. And then we gotta add... Actually, no, we don't even have to add another tier, right? This is unplayable. This is complete garbage. Or this is like... We'll move shut the fuck up to here. And then this tier is literally not a game. Right? So This is literally unplayable garbage, right? Shut the fuck up. Don't talk to me about these games. They are technically games. Go fuck yourself. I truly don't know what these are, so I'm gonna put them up here. These aren't games. These two are not fucking video games. These are goddamn movies. Fuck you. All right? They're not goddamn games. Go fuck yourself. This is Nomura's first mistake. This was a fun Game Boy Advance game. This should have been the last one. And all right, so this is my Kingdom Hearts tier list. I think this is pretty standard, right? I think we can all agree on this. Yeah. Like, I could rename this to, like, I don't know, this is where the story gets fucked forever, because it is unnecessary garbage, right? Convoluted bullshit, needless cash grabs, you know, because that's what they all are, right? Like, each one of these games didn't need to exist. They should have been canceled during development. They fucked up the story, which was already a convoluted mess, just completely beyond repair. They're bad. They're all so bad that they don't deserve to exist, and they never should have existed. Right? And the problem is with the Union games, the mobile games, not only are they predatory as fuck gotcha games, but they're all canon. They're all canon in ways that don't make any sense. They just fuck everything up. Even more than it was already fucked up. The DS game is where the whole interwebs of Kingdom Hearts gets fucked up. Oh, yeah. Yeah, Dream Drop Distance really did fuck up everything. Like, truly beyond recognition. Dream Drop Distance is the point where everything just I mean, like, the Dream Drop Distance encoded and 358/2, and honestly, these 4 games, more than anything else in Kingdom Hearts, ruined the story so much that Kingdom Hearts 3 could only be bad. But yeah, Dream Drop Distance was the Kingdom Hearts games, with the exception of 3, and the mobile games, they don't count, all looked good. I mean, Kingdom Hearts really did kind of fuck up Square Enix's animation department for a really long time, because I don't know if you all remember the PS2 era where every Square Enix game looked the same. They all looked like Kingdom Hearts. Thank you, Nomura. Also, all the PSP games. Thank you, Nomura. I don't like. Tetsuya Nomura makes me so mad.